What's up, everybody? Good Saturday morning. I have a rust date for you. Kind of like an update, but a rust date. Something to look forward to, or something to look for in Ohio. If you have, I think this goes from 2008 on until like 13 or 14, maybe some early, or like early 15 Chevy Impalas. The rear crash bumper may be Bluetooth, and this is not designed to take a crash. This is. So if you don't have this, even a medium speed accident could be, low speed could be bad. I mean, the bumper's not going to do anything. This is going to go. It's definitely something you want to look at. Get under your car, check it out. That's what it's supposed to look like. Got it for like a couple $100 off eBay. I'm definitely going to paint that up and fluid film it in the inside and that. But yeah, definitely go look under your Chevy Impalas. And this is the classic version. I think this is this is a 14, but in 14 I think they switched over to the new body style, late 14. But yeah, definitely get under them things and look, because that could be real bad in a crash. Real bad. Basically no bumper. So you see how much is missing too. The whole bottom half fell off. Yeah, that's not good. Not good. So definitely want to do that. And I don't know how fun it is to change yet. I haven't been back there, but the bolts are gonna probably be real fun. Definitely gonna spray those down. But yeah, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 6 bolts that hold it on. Then you got 1 plug for your bumper cover. If you have park assist, even if you don't, I think it still has a. Yeah, this one doesn't have park assist, but it still has a plug. Oh, license plate light is in there too. So, yeah. Today we're going to demonstrate why you need to check your crash bumper and make sure it's still there on your Chevy Impala. 14 and down. That one, I think it needs replaced.
I would say so.
Quick tip. All the bolts broke except for 2. So get bolts. M8 by 1.25. These are like 1.5 inches long. I'm using lock washers that are 8.8 bolts. Just metric and 13 millimeter head, but that doesn't really matter. But they're M8 by 1.25, and make sure you chase your, especially if it's a used bracket or a used bumper support like I got, which really that's all you can find out of like Southern State boneyards. It could have had a minor tap, and maybe these aren't straight. Look for straight ones. Look like it's bent. I say straight, but it's bent. You guys know what I'm saying. Look for obvious damage. This one looks pretty decent. I'll know when I get it up there. But yeah, there goes Dr. Dentside. So yeah, 6 new bolts. You're gonna need them. I just get them, and then I'm gonna fluid film this before I put it on. So we got some little rust there, and I can shoot in there really good. Let's see if I can get that. That's where you want it. You want it all up in the business.
That's it, boy. Get in there nice and deep like.
All the cavities. That's what I'm gonna do. It's a little messy, but I mean, it works pretty good. This is what we're using. Let's see. You can buy this stuff in a big bucket. We got an air compressor, so there's a little gun we use. It's good stuff. Looks like I don't know, peanut butter butterscotch stuff, but works great. We did the escape to keep it from evaporating. Things been running good. It just started. It did a stall the other day. I'm thinking that guy's the culprit. I'm gonna run some sweep tests on the computer. But as you see, probably the original. Their date code? No date code. But yeah, it doesn't look anywhere near new. But these had an issue with that throttle and idle problem. Officially fluid filmed and installed. I didn't end up painting it. It's already primed. So now's the fun part. Put the bumper cover back on. And to take the bumper cover off, there's wheel well liner bolts, and then one bolt there that goes straight up. And then these two are inside. So there's a bolt here inside that goes down, and here. They're all 10mm. And then I believe there's one right there. So 3 per side, 4 if you're counting the one that goes up into the body. And then there's 4 studs that stick through the bumper cover that you can get through to in the back here. They're 10mm as well. Yep, get the bumper back on. Alright, and it's all done. Fluid filmed daylights out of it. Needs a little black paint because I realized that was red. Primered it. And now it has a crash bumper. And actually something to push the push pins into. So nice. That fluid film really goes a long way. Thanks, Rob. He's working on a winch on his 4-wheeler. And I got Britt doing small engine repair now. She wants to do that. Alright guys, have a good weekend.